NAB Show 2024 in Las Vegas is a grand event featuring over 1,300 exhibitors, with more than 200 making their debut, presenting a slew of new products and technologies. This year's show brought lots of new gear, cameras, and innovations. So let's take a look. Canon revealed its groundbreaking CJ27X7.3B lens at booth C3825. This lens is a game-changer for camera operators, being the first 2x3-inch portable lens from Canon that offers a remarkable 27x optical zoom. It's part of the UHD-XS category, which represents the pinnacle of image quality in Canon's broadcast optics. The lens covers a wide focal range from 7.3 to 197 millimeters, and includes a 2x extender that pushes its telephoto capabilities up to 394 millimeters. The CJ27X7.3B is crafted for portability, rivaling the mobility of traditional ENG lenses. It brings the power of a 27x zoom, previously exclusive to box lenses, into a portable format. This lens adapts effortlessly to various settings, from handheld news coverage to live sports and studio broadcasts. Whether it's capturing the intensity of a live sports event or the breadth of a game, the CJ27X7.3B is equipped for high-quality video production. Canon's exhibit also highlighted their esteemed collection of RF Cinema Prime and Flex Zoom lenses, including the adaptable RF 24-105mm f2.8 lens, tailored for hybrid photography and videography enthusiasts. Additionally, Canon will present their refined PTZ tracking system and the EOS VR system, anchored by the Canon RF 5.2mm f2.8 L dual fisheye lens. The EOS C500 Mark II was also featured, now boasting compatibility with 3 new cinema raw light formats via a recent firmware upgrade. These showcases underscore Canon's relentless pursuit of innovation in various domains, including broadcasting, religious services, cinematic production, virtual reality, and content creation for social platforms. Panasonic showcased their AWUE30 PTZ camera, which is equipped with 4K resolution, a broad horizontal angle of view up to 74.1 degree, and a powerful 20x optical zoom, delivering high-quality 4K 30p video streaming that brings remote participants closer to a real-life experience. Its sleek design and silent functioning are crafted to blend seamlessly into any live environment. Moreover, the AWUE30 will be user-friendly, catering to educators and business professionals with limited production knowledge and compatible with existing USB-based infrastructures. At booth C5817, attendees were introduced to LightPanel's latest innovation, the Astra IP Bi-Color LED panel series. This new addition signifies a leap forward in the Astra product line, enhancing both durability and weather resistance. The Astra IP series emerges as a robust solution tailored for environmental resilience. Engineered to endure the harshest outdoor elements, it is offered in 3 sizes to cater to diverse needs, from live street reporting to controlled studio productions. The Astra YP panels shine with exceptional luminosity, capable of illuminating the most sunlit spaces. They are outfitted with high-efficiency LEDs and a narrow beam angle, delivering precise white light across a spectrum from 2700K to 6500K at varying intensities, with optional diffusion. An integrated LCD screen allows for immediate verification, enabling users to synchronize the color settings of multiple units effortlessly. Designed for the demanding conditions of fieldwork and challenging climates, the Astra IP boasts an IP65 rating, ensuring it is safeguarded against dust and moisture. Its all-weather construction guarantees consistent operation in rain, snow, or high humidity. Featuring a built-in power supply and the choice of Gold Mount, V-Mount, or BPU battery plates, the Astra IP series stands out as a quick-to-deploy, reliable lighting asset for any shooting environment. Sony unveiled their latest additions to the cinema camera lineup at the event, featuring the cutting-edge Sony Burano 8K Cine Alta camera, as well as other distinguished models such as the Venice 2. Renowned for their exceptional resolution, expansive dynamic range, and rich color accuracy, these cameras are ideally suited for premium cinematography and immersive virtual production environments. JVC Professional Video presented the KYPZ 540 series PTZ cameras at their showcase. These cameras mark a milestone for JVC's PTZ series with their unprecedented 40 times zoom at full resolution. The KYPZ 540 models are adept at delivering streams in 4K UHD, 1080p Full HD, and 720p HD resolutions, achieving a top frame rate of 60 FPS. The KYPZ 540N model further enhances the lineup with the integration of NDI HX3 technology. Building on the KYPZ 510's legacy, the new KYPZ 540 series advances with smart auto tracking powered by Intel AI and introduces 5 additional auto tracking techniques. They also feature refined exposure settings and color presets, offering superior control over image quality. Anticipation was high for NAB 2024, where Zeiss unveiled its Nano Primes T 1.5 Sign Lens series. These lenses, ranging from 18 to 100 millimeters in focal length and all featuring a T 1.5 aperture, are poised to offer a more budget-friendly option compared to the Supreme Prime series. Notably, they are designed with an electronic interface that enables the transmission of metadata in real time and boast an interchangeable mount system for versatility. Initially available with Sony's E-mount, Zeiss has plans to expand the offering with additional mount options that can be easily swapped out using just 4 screws. In addition, Zeiss is gearing up to present the Syncraft Scenario, an adaptable camera tracking system that's perfect for various filming scenarios, whether it be indoor, outdoor, against green screens, or with LED backdrops. This innovative system employs a variety of marker types to ensure precise camera tracking and incorporates lens data directly, thereby obviating the need for separate lens calibration. Grass Valley, a pioneer in live production solutions, has introduced its latest camera offerings, the LDX 135 RF and LDX 150 RF, at the NAB Show 2024. These new models mirror the advanced camera technology found in their counterparts, but stand out with their built-in wireless capabilities, supporting both RF and 5G bonded cellular connections. Crafted in collaboration with top RF system manufacturers, the LDX 135 RF and LDX 150 RF cameras boast a robust, EMI-certified mechanical interface that seamlessly integrates third-party transmission modules, eliminating the need for external wiring or significant mechanical adjustments. The RF versions distinguish themselves from the LDX 135 and LDX 150 by featuring a more compact chassis design, which provides space for the transmitter kit while ensuring the camera remains well-balanced for shoulder-mounted use. So, that's all about the latest camera tech unveiled at NAB Show 2024. Do let us know your thoughts. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.